If you have been on, or if you are going on, a Disney cruise with a stop at Castaway Cay, you know one of the hardest things is deciding what port adventures to do at Castaway Cay. There are so many great different adventures to experience there. So in this video, I will be talking about one of those port adventures, which is snorkeling at Castaway Cay. I'll talk about my experience as it was my very first time ever snorkeling, and what you can look forward to and how much it costs.
At Castaway Cay, they have a special area set apart specifically for snorkeling. As you can see, those wooden beams make a fence around the stingray area, while just beyond that is the snorkeling area. You can see some of the buoys and a few of the chairs for the lifeguards out there. And then beyond that is the general family beach and swim area, and further beyond that is a play area. And over to the side you can see the watercraft area. Over by the Stingray Adventure area, there is a little building where you can pick up your snorkel, flippers, and life vest. I grabbed a lounge chair, put on my flippers, and tried to walk into the water, but there was no way I was going to make it there with the flippers on. It was too far and those are too tricky to walk in. So then I carried the flippers into the water and put them on. Depending on the time of year and the time of day, the depth of the snorkeling area can vary. This won't make a real difference in your experience, but just something to be aware of. At first you will just see sand and grass, but the further you get out, you will start to find items that Disney has purposely sunk in the water because sea life tend to grow on them, and fish like to hide and swim in and out of those items. It costs $34 for adults and $18 for children to rent the mask, flippers, and the life vest. Or you can get the Castaway Cay Getaway package for $46. This includes the mask, flippers, and life vest, but it also comes with an inner tube for the day and also 1 hour of bike rental. You are welcome to bring your own snorkel and flippers if you have them, so you don't have to pay that fee, but you will be required to wear an inflatable life vest, which Disney provides free of charge. In certain areas they have some Disney-specific surprises to find. If you use snorkeling equipment on a regular basis, bringing your own equipment or buying it does make sense. You might not want to bring your own if you don't plan on using it very much in the future, because for $34, while you might be able to buy the mask and the flippers on Amazon, you'll have to fit those in your already crowded suitcase for the trip. The life vest can be inflated with more air, or you can release some of that air if you want to be able to dive down a bit easier. But the bright yellow color helps the lifeguards to keep an eye on everyone. I'm not a huge swimmer, but I was very grateful to have the life vest on because swimming out in that water really can take it out of you. So when it was time for me to head back in, I was grateful for the extra help from the life vest. When it is something a bit more exciting to find, they have a buoy floating above it, so you can head specifically towards those areas. It was so fun to see these tropical fish swimming around, so chill and not even scared of me. I'll be quiet for a minute and just let the video do the talking. This is a submarine from the old Walt Disney World attraction. This port adventure was really a highlight of Castaway Cay, and once again, it was my first time snorkeling, so don't get scared away if you have never done this before. I would just recommend taking your time, getting used to breathing through the mask, and don't expect to see everything that's out there to see. I never made it to the very back, where I know they have a Mickey statue sunk, but I still had an awesome time staying in the front half of the area. Also, this is going to make you tired, so when I got back to the stateroom, I ordered several things from room service because I was totally wiped out.
Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure and give the video a like, and I'd love to hear in the comments below what things you like to do at Castaway Cay, or if you're planning to go, what things you're hoping to do there. And consider subscribing to the channel, because I have more videos about Castaway Cay coming soon, like the Stingray adventure and also the Castaway Cay 5K. There will be more great videos in the future. Thanks so much, and have a magical day.